Good morning, superstars, and happy Thursday. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. So happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, May 14th, 2000. That's right, 20. We have our Thursday brain challenge to warm up our brains and 3 new puzzles to try out today. Recruit someone at home to try and solve these challenging brain puzzles. Virtual hugs for our greetings today. I can't wait to see you on Zoom tomorrow. Today, our spirit day is career day. What do you want to be when you grow up? I love the picture of the puppy with the police. Oh, so cute. Send me your pictures. Thank you for sending them to me. Shout out to people who sent me their pictures. Happy belated, but I already wished it to you. Sharav had his birthday cake with me. Woohoo! Or, well, not me, but flat me the other day. Happy birthday again, Sharav. Sophia and Layla went outside yesterday with their sunglasses, and Sophia even gave me sunglasses to protect my eyes. Thanks, Soph, for doing that for me. And Nathan is growing a vegetable garden or a lettuce, I think was what he emailed me. He is growing some lettuce with flatness or pretty cool stuff going on. Thank you for sending me these pictures. I am absolutely loving them. Today in reading, you are going to be going back into Padlet. Today is our last day doing the Native American tribes before we do our reflection video tomorrow. Today, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be re-watching 2 videos about questions and answers and big ideas, which means motivations, traits, and struggles. Once you have re-watched these videos from Mrs. Traverson and Mrs. W, you're going to go into Padlet and make at least one comment for each. So one comment of a question that you already have, a question you still have about the Native Americans, and then using your inferencing skills answering that question. So you are not just writing a question, you're also inferring using your inferencing skills to answer of what could or would the answer be. And the big ideas. I'm going to jump real quick into Powhatan to show you what it's going to look like. So you're going to see, and I'm actually going to live move it for you. You're going to see that, maybe I'm not going to live move it for you. Oh, yep, I am going to live it. That, I'm going to do this for everyone. So there we go. We are going to have our why questions here. We actually have someone already participating. And the question is, what question do you have about your tribe still after all of your research? Try to infer what your answer might be. Right? So my question, Ethan here from Mrs. Traverson's class did, why did they only hunt deer, turkey, and fish? Maybe because, oh, I like how he's inferring here. Maybe because they can only find turkey, deer, and fish. I think he can expand a little bit more on his thinking, but that's a really good thought. And then we have our main idea. So I'm going to move that. Blah, 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 blah. All right. And our main idea, traits, motivations, and struggles, says this. Think about what the authors of all of your resources really wanted you to learn about your tribe. Overall, what kind of people were there? Were they? Fix that. Oop. What kind of people were they? Like, what were their traits? What motivated them to do things that they did? And what struggles got in their way of them accomplishing those things? So you're going to leave your comment here of answering those questions. Let's jump on back to our slides. All right. Along with your slides, as always, I have your links to your Go Epic books if you want to go and reread your stories. I have the links to your articles, and also now there are videos if you want to take some time to watch some clips about your Native American tribes. Today in math, there is no video. However, there is a fraction check-in, which is number 2, because we had number 1 earlier in the week. So please make sure you take your time. Please make sure you're using your math tools, such as your fraction strips or your fraction circles, when answering these questions. Take your time, have a piece of scrap paper, draw your pictures out to help you. And there is an optional iReady assignment for you to do. There are a couple of you who have not completed any iReady assignments. Please make sure you're doing this because this is really valuable data on if you understand the skills or not. Today is your last day to be watching the Read Alouds, chapter 1, 2, and 3. You do not need to be doing anything while watching these read alouds. You can take notes. Tomorrow you are going to be creating a Flipgrid about something you learned about Sacagawea in the first 3 chapters. So if that's something you want to do while watching, absolutely. But just so you know, these are the chapters for this week. Next week we'll be watching 4, 5, and 6, and then we'll finish it up the following week. And as always, our early finishers, for those of us who are finishing very early in the day, check out one of these resources to help you push yourself and raise your level of learning, or even if maybe you're somebody who needs a brain break throughout the day between your different assignments. That is all I have for you today. Have a great day, work hard, continue to shine bright, and remember you're awesome. Bye, boys and girls.